What is up guys, Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be very special. I'm actually going to unbox my very first HYPEBEAST mystery box, and it was given to me by none other than two of my favorite foreigner sneaker YouTubers. Of course, I'm talking about Legit Vlogs and SneakerTalk. They were actually here in the Philippines and we were able to shoot like a few videos together. Watch out for those videos on their channels when they come out. So the box in itself, the insides, actually cost like over 40,000 pesos, almost $1,000. So it's going to be crazy. That will be soon. I mean, that will be later in this video. But before anything, I want to bring you guys along with me because I actually have like visitors outside. I'm here right now in like my home studio, and we have three very special visitors outside, hand-delivered a sneaker that I bought from Singapore. Let's check them out. The three visitors that we have are very familiar faces. Boom! So we have, of course, MC, Anti-Shoe Expert over there. Hello. And Adrian from Balenciaga Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. What's up, guys?
Hi!
Mabigyan mo naman ng trademark.
Hello, guys!
Yun! Okay, so Adrian, what do we have here? Is this the sneaker that I like wanted to buy several times? So maybe I will do a quick unboxing and then from there we can sit down and talk about it.
Of course.
So guys, this is a Balenciaga sneaker that I've always wanted to own, and fortunately Adrian was coming to the Philippines and I asked him to bring it already here so we can already have our very first, inspired by DJ Big Boy Cheng because he is the Balenciaga Lord. This is the Balenciaga S Track sneaker. Look at that. Boom! Ang ganda! Look at that black, like cream off-white midsole, different paneling at the top, the Balenciaga branding, that really nice red accent at the heel part. Just looks like a really kick-ass sneaker. So, Adrian, talaga. Sakto, terno sa suot mo parts. Maybe you can talk us a little about this one. So maybe share some with the viewers on what makes the Track S special.
Yes, for the track trainers, this is the track sneakers. This is actually quite a unique pillar for us. It has like 96 components.
96?
Yes, all non-leather.
Pagbalik ta rin mo yung 96, ano yun?
69!
I'm learning!
So everything is non-leather. Walang leather na ginamit. So it's polyurethane, polyamide, at nylon. So it has like basically 9 panels dito sa sole. Tapos 5 sa loob.
Nice.
5 dito sa interior.
What sells more? This one or the classic like S?
The triple nowadays it's picking up.
Because the great thing about this one, I think, guys, is that it's more of a sporty athleisure vibe compared to the S, which is really a giant chunky sneaker. So before we move on, by the way, guys, he will be starting a vlog very soon. So I already saw that you have like a YouTube page, but there's no videos yet.
Yes, it's gonna be uploaded soon.
So watch out for his YouTube channel. I will put a link down below. Kahit wala pang videos, mag-subscribe na kayo. Malay mo, mamigay siya ng Balenciaga.
No pressure. Why not?
Why not? Oh, di ba? Oh, yun. So that's the Balenciaga S.
The track trainers.
Oh, wait, may gusto ako tanungin. This guy is usually the behind-the-scenes guys of the vlogs of DJ Big Boy Cheng. So I actually knew him ever since he was this small. So he's actually the son of Milton. Parts, what do you think about the sneaker?
It's a great sneaker. It's like big, like it catches the eyes actually. Like,
and I see you're actually wearing one right now. So he's wearing the black one. Looks really cool. So what do you think about this particular color?
The colorway is really nice. It reminds me of a Presto, like the original one.
Exactly. That's why I actually love this pair. Very like Presto vibes.
Diba?
Of course, we will ask the one and only, the legendary, ang pinagkakaguluhan ng buong bayan, Anti-Shoe Expert. Ano sa tingin mo, Pards?
Well, actually, ito lang masabi ko, no? Balenciaga, ang ganda, at ang tibay, parang tank ito eh. Pagka kahit sa mong lakad, di basta-basta nadudumihan. Tapos, alam mo, medyo pricey siya, pero you'd be surprised.
With the quality.
With the quality, tapos anytime you can buy it anywhere sa Balenciaga store.
Yeah.
So, kumbaga, the price is quite high. Imagine if inipit nila to. If they release like a limited release lang, sigurado the price will shoot very, very pataas. No?
Exactly. And by the way, kamusta ang yung lobsters na sinubo mo sa bahay?
Ay, umulan eh. Umulan eh.
Okay, so guys, please do check out Milton's Anti-Shoe Expert's Instagram account. Subscribe to DJ Big Boy Cheng. Check out Adrian. I will put the link down below to his YouTube channel as well as your Instagram account.
Yes.
He posts really funny IG stories of his adventures in Manila. He loves Okada, by the way. Okada, baka naman. Of course, MC, check him out. I'll put a link to his Instagram account as well. Hey, so they just left the condo. So, okay guys, so they just left the condo. So shout out again to DJ Big Boy Cheng, Anti-Shoe Expert, MC, and Adrian. Now we get to the fun part. We get to that mystery unboxing that I have of the box that was given to me, the HYPEBEAST box that was given to me by Legit Vlogs, Tim, and SneakerTalk, Christian. Let's check it out. What's up guys, Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. Today we have two special guests with us. We have Christian from SneakerTalk, who's been here several times already, who slept in my house. And of course we have Tim from Legit Vlogs. So these guys have been in the country for a couple of days now. We've been showing them around, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed your stay in Manila.
So basically, I mean, Carlo has just been a wonderful host, probably the best host that I've ever met before.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
And we just wanted to really show our appreciation for everything that he did for us by getting him a little box. So I'll let you go ahead and explain. Or Christian, you want to explain?
Yeah, give them the lowdown on this. My first HYPEBEAST mystery
Yeah,
box.
Carlos never had a HYPEBEAST mystery box before. Tim thought it would be a really good idea to like build one. So we went to a bunch of different malls, a bunch of different stores, picked out a few items, and we think you'll like it a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay,
We'll see.
So let's take a look.
Let's take a look. Let's do it.
It comes in a special edition Valiant travel box that I don't know where you guys bought it from. But yeah, so I don't have like a knife, so.
Cleo, can you help Cleo?
Yeah, that works.
All right, Carlo. Let's see what it is.
Hulking out.
Let's see what it is.
The new Avengers.
Yeah. Just like the
This is
most.
gonna be insane.
Yeah, there you go.
There
That's
we go.
like the most brutal unboxing ever. So we'll take out the items one by one. I have no idea what's inside, and I don't want to peek. So let's see. I'll close it one by one.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Cover there.
First,
Let's see.
oh, cool!
Oh.
Funko Pop. Nice. So you guys went to Big Boys?
Yeah.
Wow, this is like my favorite toy shop. How did you know that to look here?
That's why he was taking so long in the mall.
Yeah, that's why we were taking a while.
Do you know how many times you had to go around? But it's worth it. It's worth it. So this one is like the Shenron Funko Pop, the gold version. Looks really nice. Thank you. That's so thoughtful, guys.
Yeah.
And for you to know that I like Dragon Ball.
I remembered.
Thanks. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
of
Thank you.
Wait until you see the rest, though.
Yeah, with the first one, I'm
We
already
still got
happy.
it. No,
guys.
that one
So
should be
let's-
next.
Oh, you got me a shoe.
Oh.
Seriously? Wow. Wow. I'm kind of speechless.
Check it out. Check
I
it
think we
out.
got the right size.
Yeah,
Did we
you
get
did.
the right
Size
size?
12.
We
Size
did.
12.
Okay. Good.
Nice, sweet, thank you. You know
police.
that's really nice because I kind of took an L on this one.
Oh, did you take an L?
So yeah, I
We
wasn't
got you,
able
bro,
to
we
win
got you.
like the RSVP thing for Titan. So thank you. Wow,
Yeah, of
that's
course,
Yeah.
of course.
so thoughtful of you guys. You didn't have to, but seriously, thank you.
Yeah,
wow.
of course.
I'll wear this later.
Thank
when we
you
go
for
out
everything.
and watch like midget boxing.
Yeah.
That's the only time you can wear
The
this.
guys did midget
We
boxing.
watched midget boxing last night.
How was that?
It was experience. It was really dope.
They had the choice. I just have to tell you. They had the choice of going to the club with Ron. Shout out to Shoe
Shout out to
Manila.
Ron.
They've been taking care of you guys as well,
Taking
right?
care of us. Yeah, everybody's been hospitable.
So Ron was supposed to take them out to the club, but instead of going to the club, these two geniuses over here decided to go watch midget boxing. So
I'm probably never gonna see midget boxing again in my
ever
life.
in your life.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, thank you for this
Yes,
one.
of
I
course,
really,
of course.
really appreciate
All
it.
right,
You
how
guys
many
did
more?
that
One
too.
or two more?
I got one more and then the grand finale. I guess.
There's a grand
okay.
finale.
Yeah.
So get him the
This is the third item.
Nice.
little
Hype
hype beast
beast.
decoration.
Commonwealth.
Yes.
Comment on that.
The plug.
Yeah, I know where they usually sell this, but thank you. I actually bought the issue before this one.
Oh,
Okay,
nice,
good.
nice.
So you guys are literally on point from
Good,
the
good.
Funko Pop to the magazine to the shoe that I missed out. So
Well, he said we're on point for everything so far, so let's go ahead and see what the last item is. Even more on point, the most
okay,
on point.
so this is like
So
super-
remember from earlier this week,
Yeah,
Carlo.
I can't grab it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Oh, seriously? Did you? You guys did not have to. Oh my god. Seriously?
Not from Green Hills, we swear.
I've been thinking of buying this for the long. Oh, it's the towel. Beware, yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god. This is pricey. You guys didn't have to, but thank you, thank you.
Remember, we went earlier this
Appreciate
week
it.
and you said that you were thinking of buying it, bro.
Yeah, thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah, of course.
Wow, that's so sick. Yeah, now every time I take a bath, I'll be all hype beast and stuff. Well, okay, you guys didn't have to. Wow, this is expensive stuff, man.
Just don't let Cleo get to it.
Right.
Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate
We
it.
just wanted
I
to show you a
super
token of our
appreciate it.
appreciation.
Thank you, thank you. Wow, you guys didn't really have to, but it's super appreciated.
thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
man.
for everything too,
Thank
man.
you, thank you. Wow, I'm usually what's the opposite of speechless? I rarely get speechless.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm kind of at a loss for words. Thank you, thank you. I super appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
Of course,
I mean,
bro.
from the bottom of my stomach and my heart. So yeah, so those are the items in my first ever Hype Beast box,
mystery box.
and probably one of the best ones I've ever unboxed. Well, especially because all of them are stuff that I actually really, literally wanted. So everything from the Funko Pop to the magazine to the shoes, and most especially the crazy ass blanket that I
Yeah.
have here, which people are supposed to like. So you know, some people actually frame it
Yeah, really?
and put it on a wall just because it's off white. But I'll probably use it after I shower. So,
Will there be a vlog?
no.
A shower
My wife will
vlog.
kill me. A shower
morning
vlog.
routine.
A Carlo Ople shower vlog. Nope. We won't see that.
No review.
No review. But thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your stay. I know
Yes.
you're flying out tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
That
This is
sucks.
our last day here. But we wanted to end with the banger, so.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. Didn't expect it at all. But you'll be here for
I'll be back.
Yeah,
I'll be
so
back.
watch his a dozen Green Hills vlogs.
Yeah.
Coming out soon. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks again, Tim, Christian.
course.
Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom. And we're back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Now I just wanted to spend like a few moments to talk about the sneaker that they gave to me. This is the Air Jordan 4 Breds. So here you have it in black and red. Now this was actually very, very much appreciated by myself because when they released it over at Titan and the Athlete's Booth, I was just really incredibly busy that day. I wasn't able to find time to be able to cop a pair. So man, I'm really blessed and I'm really fortunate and I'm really incredibly happy that they went out of their way to be able to get this shoe, this sneaker for me. So Christian, Tim, maraming salamat. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the friendship. And I look forward to hanging out more with you guys in the future and learning more from you as my YouTube mentors. So thank you for this. Super appreciate it. And with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the Balenciaga unboxing, the mystery box unboxing, and everything else that happened. Oh, by the way, we are giving away a brand new YEEZY 350 Boost V2 Cream. The link to that particular giveaway can be found down below, but you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. So go do both right now. And then click the link down below in the description box and in the comment section. So that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.